Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a pineapple and Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can color your model yellow and then you're going to use hot dog item. You can get the hot dog item here on the floor and then we're going to change the pattern. Go to the pattern and then you can scroll down until you find the yellow pattern. Wait, I'm still looking for it guys. Wait. Okay, this one. You can change all the pattern to this yellow pattern. Okay, and then it will create something like this. Alright, and then the next one, we're going to go to the dressing room and then we're going to use Sabrina Carpenter dress. Okay, you can go to the coats item and then you're going to use this one and color the first part this yellow pattern or just yellow. Wait, I'm going to go to the palette and then I'm going to choose yellow. Okay, I think it's better. And then we're going to go to the second part and color it green. Okay, and then it will create something like this. And as you can see guys, that the pineapple has been created. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a pineapple and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!